Hey guys, what's going on? It's China Doll here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video of the new Apple Watch Series 6 in red. I've always wanted this one. I'm glad that Apple is coming out with new colors because, you know, I'm so used to the basic, like the black, the silver. My last watch, I had the rose gold, so this is pretty nice. I also wanted to get the braided solo band because the old watch, you know, has the little clip on it, and but at the time when I ordered it, they didn't have anything available, so I'll probably have to get that later on. So let's get right into it. Let's take off all this paper. So it comes in two boxes right here. So one box is for the sports band, and then the second box is the Apple Watch itself. It comes with the charger, so this is the cord that it comes with right here. And then just a couple papers and stickers. And then this is the watch itself. I like how it has that little red covering case too over it. So this is what it looks like on the outside, and this is the back of it. And then this is the band that it comes with. It comes with the red sport band. You can buy the other bands separate, but this is the one that it comes with in the box. So this is the sports band that it comes with. This is the 40 millimeter the face of it. You can also get it in the 44 millimeter, which is a little bit bigger, like the size of it. And also for the bands, same thing, you can get the 44 millimeter or the 40. Because my wrist is really tiny, so I got the 40 millimeters. So this is my old watch. I have the Series 3, and this is about, it looks like it's basically about the same size as the current series I own. The only difference really is that the back of it, because as you can see, this one has like 4 little dots on the back of it, and then this one has like a whole bunch of different ones. They also come in different colors too, so they have like, you know, gold and blue and silver. They said that the new Series 6 is supposed to be a little bit faster, like the processing, and that they only added, I think, one new feature, which is the oxygen. I can read it on you. And no, it's not really like a medical device, so don't use it like thinking, oh yeah, I can check, you know, everything on there. But I'm just happy to be getting this new one. So when you set it up, the first thing that pops on the screen, it says, ask you your language. So let's do English, United States. Then it says, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone to start pairing. So my new Apple Watch is paired. Yes, I love Disney, so I had Minnie as my wallpaper. I do like how like they have new face galleries in the Apple Watch. So they have like, you know, different screens. They added new screens and stuff, so you can set up how you want it. The only thing is I wish that Apple would change the, instead of like having a square, I wish it would be round. That would be something different instead of just a square shape on the face of the watch. And then I thought maybe, you know, in the future they would add like a camera or something new to this. But I'm happy with the new watch. It's a big upgrade because it's not like, you know how sometimes you go from the last year's series to this year's series and it's not really much of a difference, kind of like with the iPhones every year too. But this was I like it better. It's a lot smoother, a lot faster. I like the display. It feels a little bit like, I don't know, sleeker, smoother. So far I'm happy with it. And like I said, red, I'm glad they have the red one out because that's my favorite color too. So yeah, let's see how it goes. You know, like I said, I just got this, so I'm really excited about it. I just like the display of it. Even like going through the different apps and stuff, it feels a lot faster too. You can just click into whatever and go back out, and yeah, I think it's pretty cool. So but yeah, that's gonna end it here for the new look of the Apple Watch Series 6 and the unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.